Okay, so I had a thought that with our bars and bar lines, we could do a second video, because with a lot of my students, I've always explained bars as bars of chocolate, and some students really get it that way. Okay, so in case you're still not sure about bars and bar lines from the video we did before, see if this one makes it a little bit easier for you to understand, okay? Okay, so there is another way to explain bars and bar lines, and I thought we would do that today. So there's two different ways. The first one was to say that these are fences, and everything inside, in between the fences, is a house, right? We talked about that. So we've done the fences and we've done the houses. Another way to think of bars and bar lines is to think of them as bars of chocolate. And that's why I love using the word bar, because bar and bar of chocolate go together. So in our first bar of chocolate that's divided up with this line here, so I'm in between these two fingers, is my first bar of chocolate. In this bar of chocolate, I have 2 black notes and I have 1 white note. Okay, so 2 taps and a long note make up the first bar of chocolate. Then I have a line. In between the next 2 lines is my next bar of chocolate. And in this bar of chocolate, I have 2 black notes and a white note. So I have 2 tap notes and a long note in my second bar of chocolate. Now moving on to my third bar of chocolate, and this is making me very hungry, I don't know about you. In my third bar of chocolate, I have 4 black notes, I have 4 tap notes, okay? This is my third bar of chocolate. And in my fourth bar of chocolate, I'm lucky, I have 4 bars of chocolate. In my last bar of chocolate, I have 2 black notes and a white note, 2 tap notes, 1 long note. Okay, this is my fourth bar of chocolate. Now, how we look at it is this. So, in this bar of chocolate, this is made with 2 black chocolates are going in, 2 dark chocolates and 1 milk. Okay, so these are the ingredients for this bar of chocolate. You have 2 scoops of black chocolate, or dark chocolate if you like, and 1 scoop of milk. In this bar of chocolate, I have 2 scoops of dark chocolate, 1 scoop of milk. Okay, that one. In this one, I only have 4 scoops of dark chocolate. And in this bar of chocolate, 2 scoops of dark chocolate, 1 scoop of milk. Now, these are the ingredients. So if I have 2 scoops of dark chocolate and milk, this is my milk chocolate. I go to the next one, 2 scoops of dark chocolate and milk, another bar of milk chocolate. And in this one, the same, 2 scoops of dark chocolate and milk. They have the same ingredients. They're all milk chocolates. Okay, so bar 1, bar 2, and bar 3 are all bars of milk chocolate. But when I get to bar 3, I don't have any milk in this one. It's all dark chocolate going in. So I have 4 scoops of dark chocolate, which makes my third bar of chocolate dark chocolate. Okay, it's different to the other 3. These are all milk chocolate because they all have milk in them. This one only has dark chocolate. So this bar is dark chocolate. And that is another way to think of it. These 3 bars are the same. They have the same ingredients inside them. Do you see? And this one is different. It has different ingredients. So this bar will be different to the other 3. So how did you go now with your bars and your bar lines? Is it easier thinking of them as bars of chocolate? And the notes are the ingredients that go into each chocolate? Sometimes that makes it easier. It's just more visual. You can just imagine that these notes are what makes that chocolate, what's going into the chocolate. And it helps us to see the bars of chocolate that are the same because they've got the same ingredients, and the bars of chocolate that are different because they've got different ingredients.